XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned the way is correcting. It doesn't give us any trade setup. And we mentioned the only way we can look for trade if we consider this one as a 1 to 3 when the price was here. If we mention if we get any reversal, we can take the trade. This is the only opportunity. That's why I mentioned we cannot buy with the video the trade setup because the way is forming. As we can see, we get down move. All right, now can we put this one as a flat? Relative to this for one move up, and this one turn to more complex correction. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. The only thing is based on daily chart, we need to know that where the price is almost at the top, and when the price broke the previous top, it couldn't continue. Can we expect this one turn to a deeper correction? This is what every times I mention. If we want to buy at the top, we need to be careful, and we need to know in case this one turn to a deeper correction. At least we know how to manage it if we were looking at the buy, and if we move to forward chart, how we can look at this. All right, what we have as a 1 2 3, can we consider this one as a flat in relative to this for at least one move up? That means if we get any trade setup for buy, we take this trade. This is what we're looking for. All right, and if I move to 1 hour chart, we see what we have as we get a sharp move. If there is a continuation with the flag, any buy setup from here, we take it. That's mean if we get a flag here or correction, we can look for buy. But what we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. All right. The only thing is either we're looking for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Okay. With that mean if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. The only times we can look for sell if this one turn to a corrective move. But do we need to look for sell? I don't think so. We can get really. We are more really interested to look for sell. The only times we can look for sell if this one turn to a deeper correction, we could get the trade set up within this correction. But if we look into it anyway. I mean later. Right now, what I'm looking for, we're looking for the reversal. If we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of the 74 cent, we start to manage because right now we will be looking at this flat. For sure, if this one tend to a corrective move, give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, it can give us better confirmation. But either we look for this type of the flat or the low, it break the previous low. As if we refer to the elliott wave, each type of, I mean, each of them has a different, we can define as a different type of the flat. We don't need to go to the details, but we can expect this one to give us one more drop with the breakout of this. Any reversal either from here or after the breakout of this, the previous low, we take the trade. The only times we won't look for buy, we have to relook into the structure if the price break 58 or cent. That means this low. Because if the price drop, then we cannot consider this one as a flat. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We're looking for the reversal. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share.